making ribs. These ribs will have a dry rub and barbecue sauce. So I boiled my ribs in vinegar and a little lemon juice, apple cider vinegar and a little lemon juice. So I'm going to take them out and place them in this pan and let them cool off just a bit, and then we'll do the dry rub. Okay, so they've been boiling for probably about an hour, because this is a lot. It's 3 slabs here. Look at that. I need 3 pans. Okay. And we have them. There's plenty of counter space. Awesome kitchen. Very hot. And there you have it. It's always one. This one's better than this one. There we go. Okay. So now I'm going to make the dry rub, and I'll show you what. 2 cups brown sugar, cayenne pepper, Larry's seasoning salt, and of course we have onion powder, garlic, we have some crushed red pepper flakes, and bay leaves.
Hey guys.
Okay, we know my. So first we're putting the brown sugar.
Hello guys, we are the multiple cousins. Let's go starting.
Okay, these are my buttercups. You have Amazing My, and you have Jyla. She doesn't have a nickname.
Yes, she does.
What's her nickname? Booby?
Dad, what's your nickname? Victoria. Her nickname.
Your hands ain't clean. I ain't see you wash your hands. No, you were playing. Your hands ain't clean
I
either.
just used the bathroom.
Oh. So
if you
what
watch,
okay, but I'm sorry, go ahead, you were talking.
if you watch some of my videos, you're familiar with me. So you already know what I'm going to say. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications.
Dry them off.
Ding ding.
You want to balance the spiciness and the flavorful and the sweet
What are you making?
all together. I'm making a rub for the barbecue ribs.
I'm done.
Okay. Onion powder. I didn't say you were helping. Not with this. I'm going to let you help with something though.
Alright, tell us when you're ready, okay?
Okay. Oops. Just a little bit because the kids don't like spicy. But it needs some spice. Who's that? Yeah, I know it's sweet, but it'll be good when you balance out the flavors. So you mix this up, and this is not even enough. I'm telling you now, this is not enough because it needs to go on like 1 whole slab and a half, both sides. So give a little tail. And that's good. So it's the balance of flavors. It's salty, It's sweet and it's spicy. So that's what you're trying to balance. And believe it or not, I'm going to add another cup of sugar. It's barbecue sauce, but it's dry. You want it to be flavorful. It wasn't spicy at all that sugar. And my basil flakes. That just makes it look nice. I'm gonna add about 2 scoops of sugar. The last one wasn't a full scoop. And we're gonna mix it up. Trust me, it's gonna be good. And it's gonna melt right on top. And you're gonna bake it in the oven. Oh, I didn't put it in the oven yet. For about an hour and a half. And it's gonna be good. I don't want to keep saying it's not enough, because then you think I'm trying to give you diabetes. But it's not enough to really cover all the ribs that I have to cover. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Good balance. It has saltiness, sweetness, spiciness, all together. Okay, so I'm just gonna move all this stuff and give you a little show of what we do next. They're not cooked yet. Ice cream scooper. It's not that hot at all. So you just cover this completely with this. Yeah. I know, but yeah. Trust me, when it comes out, you're gonna go like, oh wow. Okay, cover this completely. Turn it over. There's no liquid in here. Cover the other side completely. Get this area over here. And since it's still a little warm, it will melt thin a little bit. See, this is why I said it's not enough. Turn it back over. On the sides. Just make sure you cover it all. Okay? Yes, I'm going to make a little more and I'm going to cover it a little better. Okay? Then once it's covered, I should have covered the other side first and then turn it over. Okay, it would have covered better if I had did the other side first and then flipped it. This way you don't have to go back and forth. So always do the inside first, then flip it and rub it on everything else, okay? So I was just a little too eager to get it done. So now I'm gonna make a little bit more and I'm going to put it on here and then I'm gonna bake it in the oven. I'm gonna use some chicken stock or beef stock. No, chicken stock is best. I'm gonna pour some in here and I'm gonna cover it for the first 40 minutes, and then I'm gonna take the cover off for the last, it's gonna bake for about an hour and a half. So for the last 50 minutes. Make sure all the sugar is mixed in well. And there you have it. Give a little taste. This one has a little bit more red pepper flakes than the other ones, but it'll blend in nicely. Very flavorful. Very good. And now we'll complete the process and get it on there correctly this time. And this time it's enough. No need to worry. No need to worry. Come on in. Okay, so now I'm gonna get some chicken stock. I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna cover it up. I'm gonna bake it for 45 minutes to, probably about 40 minutes, and then I'll check on it. So I have 2 cups of water and a big spoon of chicken bouillon, and I'm gonna just stir that up. And I'm gonna taste it. Good. And now I'm gonna pour some in here. It's just so it doesn't stick. It adds a little flavor. Just a little. Not gonna use the whole thing. Okay, just to cover the pan so it will steam when I wrap it in aluminum foil and put it in the oven. Put it in the oven on. Big. And I'm gonna put it at.
Josh, you know that me watch TV.
Well, they get to watch TV too, huh?
He's on his phone.
Okay. I'm about to make y'all some lunch anyway.
What do we have it planned?
I don't know that. We'll use that for the other one. Nope. Only reason why I say nope is because there's nothing to do yet, but I'll call you in a minute. I have 2 more packs of ribs to do. Off to the oven we go at 375 when it's heated. And then we'll check it in 40 minutes and see how it looks. And probably will cook for another, whatever makes an hour and a half. So we're doing the second ribs, and we're going to not slice them up. We're going to leave it as that. We're going to make more dry rub. And this time, we're going to do it right by putting it on this side first. Okay? Okay, so far, all I did was put some brown sugar in a bowl. Yeah, it's a lot, but that's how you make a dry rub. Cayenne pepper, Larry's seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper flakes, and of course, some basil. So we put in a nice bit of, depending on how spicy you want it. But with the sugar, it's okay. Oh, we'll put in some garlic powder, onion powder. Can y'all turn that down?
Yes.
Turn it down. Pepper flakes. And basil flakes. Mix that up nice. This is a dry rub that I've been doing for years. So that's what it looks like. We have to give a little taste to make sure it's flavorful, savory, sweet, spicy, soulful. So see how much I took. Very good. I'm gonna add a little bit more Larry's so it can, ooh, I added too much. Opened up, let me get this out. Okay, so here we have it. Taste it again. Very good. Sprinkle. So this time it was done the correct way. Okay, sit. Rub it down. All right, I'm not gonna sing the song. Okay. Now when I flip it, it'll stay on this side. Oh, oven's ready. I didn't get this piece here. Okay. Move it up. We're gonna need a knife to cut that down. Let's just put a little slice in that so it lays down. Scissors is always important to have in the kitchen. Okay, now we just do this side and we just spread it out. Cover it up. It's nice and flavorful. And there you have your dry rub. Okay. And now you don't have to flip it back and forth. It's already done. That's a piece of fat. And we're gonna put a little bit of this chicken stock that I just made with just some water and the bouillon, just so it steams enough and it's flavorful to cover the pan, just enough to cover the pan. And I need another roll of paper towels. Okay, and we're gonna cover this up nice and tight. And now the oven is ready. Really? And you telling on him today? Why? Why didn't you tell me yesterday?
I was trying to know why he was answering.
We were together all day yesterday.
But you guys weren't answering.
I don't remember that.
You said the
The A word? Off to the oven we go. My son has actually 2 of it. So I can go on to the next thing and put that 3rd tray in there because he has 2 ovens. I'm gonna turn on the other oven right now. Nice to be king. Oh God, this is over here. Okay, that's that. So these are my brown sugar rub ribs, and I'm just gonna cut into them. They were in the oven for about an hour and a half. Ooh. Nice and tender. Let's put a little piece on. See, nice and soft and tender. Very good. They're sweet, they're spicy, they're savory, very nice. And now you don't need any barbecue sauce. Even this little end piece that was tough has gotten soft. Look at that. Rolls right off. Very good. This is the first one. This is my second one. Yeah, sauce. Nice and sweet. Pull right off the bone. It's hot. Just came out the oven. It's not too sweet at all. It's just a tough side, and it's nice and soft. Okay. So you don't need anything. You just can eat it. Mama, you want to taste?
Yeah. Is it good?
I don't know.
You didn't taste it?
I taste it. You have to tell me. It's hot. Just came out the oven. Come on, Cameron. Look in the camera and tell me what you think. Hot?
It's hot, but it's delicious.
It's delicious. And she says, Gigi can't cook.
No,
Don't you always say that? You can't cook.
No.
Yeah, this is nice.
But it's a little spicy. It's tiny.
Tiny, tiny bit spicy.
But I can take it.
Who's in the dining room? Josh? You want to come taste my ribs? So we'll get a teenager's reaction.
A teenager.
You need more. So.
All right, can I just take it?
Now give your opinion.
Very good.
Very good, right? That's brown sugar rub.
I'll take better than the big daddies, but don't tell him that.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. He likes it better than his father's. But don't tell him. I'm going to tell him anyway.
No.
But you know I'm the best cook.
I know.
So Victor can't cook nowhere near like me.
I know. I tasted food before.
Okay. Anyway, we're going to get these sliced up, cut up.
Cut up.
And,
Cut up.
Oh, you want more?
Yeah, it's good.
The sauce is really good.
Yeah. The sauce is the best.
Oh, here's Josh. Now you have to say what you think to the
Jordan,
camera.
not Josh.
Jordan.
The best ribs I've ever tasted.
Oh!
Say it again so they can hear you.
The best ribs I've ever tasted.
See? Told you. Told you. Told you. That brown sugar always does it.
It's like,
Okay?
it's delicious. Like,
And it look like a lot, but it's not really.
That's why I'm telling her that I want more.
Oh, okay, my mind. This is not even for dinner.
What?
No, this is not for dinner.
What are we having for dinner?
I don't know yet, but we got some oxtails going here.
I want to have some
Doing the
of those.
thing.
Can I
We
have
got chicken in the oven.
chicken in a
And the
pan?
last thing of ribs, I have to do the barbecue sauce. But I should have just did this because we don't need the barbecue sauce. My son bought this giant size. Oh, you have to go in the dining room and get napkins, but here, we'll put it on this. And there you go.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Okay. He bought this giant size,
Of oxtails.
no, barbecue sauce that I don't even like. Oh, this is where it's at, okay? So, that's my ribs. I'll get to the oxtails in a few minutes, but thank you for watching my video. Please be sure to subscribe, also like,
Hit those notification bells.
yes, and if you like what you see here, please share.
And if you're new here, her name is,
Honey Be Cool,
and my name is
Amazing My Rose.
Hey!
All right, check us out. Close up. Whew. So this is the last rib, the third one, and I really don't like the barbecue sauce that my son bought. Sorry, I don't like it. It's too sweet. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a dry rub again with the brown sugar, and I'm gonna put it on here, and I'm just gonna let it bake for like 20 minutes because these are already really soft. Okay, they're very soft. It is what it is. That's what I'm gonna do. So we have the last, and we have the rub. I'm only gonna put it on the outside because I ran out of brown sugar. But let's taste it and see how it tastes. See if it needs anything. It's good, savory, a little spicy, a little sweet. Well, a lot of sweet. I'm just gonna dump it on here. Cause yeah, I don't like that other sauce. So why am I using it? Let them use it. And this is a lot I'm putting on here because there's none going on the other side. Didn't mean to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back in the oven until this melts down, and then I'll bring it back. Tender, sweet, savory, a little spicy. So good.